Hey everyone! In this video, I wanted to show a few new exciting features introduced in Cloudera Edge Manager 1.4. With this new version, the observation and the management of agents became much more prominent. On the dashboard, you have an aggregated view of your system. It shows the available agent classes, and in return, those agent classes are representing all of the agents belonging to your system. You can see that there is a concerning health tied to this agent class. Health right now is tied to heartbeating. So if an agent is not heartbeating well, the system considers it unhealthy, and that's why you see that the agent class is unhealthy. In our example, you see that there are two agents associated with this agent class. And if you are going to the details view, you have a way to directly manage these agents, these specific agents belonging to this class. So going there will show you that the status of these agents is missing. That's not good. So let's see what is happening. If you are refreshing the page, you see that both of your agents are still missing. Again, refreshing shows that one of the agents became online, which is strange. Refreshing again is prompting you that, again, they are both missing. So going further with the agent details view, you have an alert tab where you will see all the alerts tied to this agent. And you can see that it's online, it's missing, it's online, it's missing, which doesn't look healthy. So how can we investigate this problem? With this new version, we introduced this commands concept, and you can see that there were no commands executed against this agent here, but there is this debug agent capability. Clicking the debug agent will prompt EFM to send an operation request to the agent, asking for a bundle of debug information. It will show, the agent will collect the configuration, the properties, and the logs, create a bundle, and push this bundle to EFM. And when this bundle arrives, we will see that the command completed, and we should be able to follow up on our investigation. Now you can see that the command completed, everything is green, and you have a button helping you to download the bundle. I just downloaded the bundle. Just give me a second, extracting the contents, and we can go further momentarily. So here is the content of the bundle, and we are interested in the logs. Maybe the logs have additional information so we can understand the situation that we are facing. This is the log received from the agent. So scrolling through it, it's evident that there are no exceptions, so there should be something else. We can see, based on the logs, that the agent is heartbeating well. These few lines of logs belongs to one heartbeat, and there is nothing fishy here, but we can notice, based on the timestamps, that every heartbeat is 10 seconds apart, which is not really good, because I know that the EFM is set to consider an agent missing after 4 seconds. So this should be our issue here. So this is our assumption. The next thing that we can do is that we have a live view of the configuration set on the agent side. So on the configuration tab, we can check what is the setting for the agent for the heartbeat period. And filtering for heartbeat will tell us, yep, now we can see that it's 10 seconds. So we need to do something with this. We concluded our investigation, we have our problem, but we need to resolve this somehow. We introduced new capability. So you can go back to the agent class representing the problematic agent, and you have an action tab, an action menu. And under that action menu, you have the functionality to update the agent side properties, called edit agent configuration. So you can select the property name, which will be the heartbeat period for us, and you can set the value, which we should set to a number smaller than 4 seconds. Let's go with 3. So we can set this to 3 seconds, and making this change and applying it will prompt EFM to send operations to all agents belonging to this class, telling them that they should update properties and restart. So going back to the commands view, you can see that now a configuration edit command is in progress. We can see that the debug request, which we did earlier, is still there, and the configuration update is ongoing. You can see that the affected properties in our case is only the heartbeat period, So EFM sends the operation to the agent executes the operation, and after that completes, the agent will acknowledge it to us. And it just happens, so the agent acknowledged that it made the change. We can double check it on the configuration view and see that now it's 3 seconds. So refreshing the agent view shows us that both agents are really happy and healthy, and the agent class itself is in good health. Great, we solved the issue, but how can we be really sure that the issue is actually solved? So what we can do is that we can go back to the agent view that we checked at the beginning through the agent manager, check the agent, and see whether there are new alerts. You will see only the last few alerts here. So you see the timestamp and was the last alert that it went missing, but you have the means to go and see all the alerts belonging to the agent. And you can see that there are 132 alerts right now. And refreshing the page shows us that alert count did not change. So there are no new alerts ongoing here, which means that we actually solved our problem. During this exercise, we were able to show that with the new Cloudera Edge Manager, you are really easily able to observe the system, to observe the issue if there are issues, to investigate the issue, and to solve the issue. I think this is really powerful and makes Cloudera Edge Manager very useful. Thank you for your time, and see you next time.